This morning, I'm going to show you a demo of how I use the two EvenSkyn products. When I originally got it, I felt a little intimidated about using it because it was just a little bit complex. You have your radio frequency, ion cleaning with, I think, radio frequency, electromuscular stimulation, EMS, and then cool photon. So let's start at the beginning. The radio frequency is very simple. You just take it and you put it on your skin. And I think initially I thought I would have to use a conduction gel, and they sent this one, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't like it. You put this on and in a matter of seconds, it gets sticky and gummy. It doesn't glide. And they gifted it to me, so I do appreciate it, but my review is it's awful. And I thought, I certainly don't want to put this on dry skin, and I think I'm just going to try glycerin. You don't feel heat, you don't feel stinging, and the neat thing about this is you don't have to look at anything you're doing. It's very easy. You don't need a mirror. I'm still in the using it once a week phase, so I haven't seen any results of the radio frequency. That is yet to come. So I'm going to stop right here, and I'm going to change modes. You use these up and down arrows. This is where it gets a little tricky. This EMS mode. At the top of the unit, you have these bars that you can select the intensity of your treatment. When I started it, I guess it was on number 5, and my whole face was twitching. It was pretty alarming. Once I turned it down to 3, which is what it's on right now. Wait, let me make sure, because I really don't want it to zap me. This is number 3. And I don't feel anything. I really don't. I know it's doing its EMS, but I don't feel anything. It feels just like the radio frequency did. When I use the conduction gel is when it gives me that shocker. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put the conduction gel on this side of my face and along the jaw. Okay, yeah. Oh God. All right, guys, I figured it out. The moment I put conduction gel on, it feels so strange. It's not like a sting, but it is weird. You can feel it in your gums. This does not feel bad. If you just use it here. Oh, It makes me feel like I have a cavity almost. When you do use the conduction gel, you feel it. When you do not, I don't feel it. So a moment ago, I had it all the way up to power 5. I didn't feel a thing. However, I'm gonna turn this off. When I used the conduction gel, I very quickly felt that feeling. And when I use it up here around my eyes feel like they're twitching. For me, I'm not going to use a product or a device that doesn't feel tolerable. On a level 3, it's tolerable. It is, if you use the conduction gel. And I'm not saying this one because I wouldn't buy this one either way. So if you get it because you know that you want to try the EMS, that you want to try the radio frequency, then I think a 3 for me felt really, really, really good. Even with the conduction gel and the kind of stingy weirdness. It is weird. And I think I would go down to a 2 to make sure that I use it every week. This is the EvenSkyn Venus. I have not tried this yet, so I'm gonna try it on camera with you live. Here's the little button that you press. Let's see. Oh, this is interesting. All right, I've just pressed it once. You hear a little staticky noise. Let me look. It has the red light, and I can hear it doing its business, but it doesn't hurt at all. You don't hear it on at all. And then you put it on your skin, and it activates itself. It starts kind of making a little noise, and it feels like it's doing this, like giving little spurts of energy. But I'm gonna go above my eyebrow. I'm gonna go on my eyebrow. And I'm gonna come right out here. So as I do it, I'm going to come all the way out and all the way up. I really like this now. This feels so good. It's a warm, kind of bzz, bzz, buzzy. I don't know if you can hear it. It's easy to hold. I really like that. It just kind of feels like a warm treatment. Okay, now it just turned off. My eye feels like it's going. It's not bad. It's not like the other one. Gosh, wouldn't this be incredible if it works around our eyes? So I'm gonna do this eye like I did the other. I'm going to see if it stops on its own, which again, I think is super helpful. You don't have to time it. You don't have to set a clock. You don't have to do anything. I really want to work here on this, right here, on this area. It's looking older. The skin's looking older. It's just one of those things that happens. And again, I'm going to go all the way out here. The shape of it is really nice. I just put the tiniest little drip of this conduction gel under there. I'd like to know if you can put like an eye cream on and then do it, or if it's necessary to use a conduction gel. It's funny, it seems to be very smart. It just does its own thing. I can see myself using this a lot. It feels like it's really juicing up now. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like zoom, zoom, zoom. I love it. All right, huge win. That is the first time I've used it, and it felt great. I love it so much. I'm so excited about this. Put your little lid on it. That is my on-camera demo review of the EvenSkyn Lumo and Venus. I will put the links to both of them in the description box below. I hope this was helpful. Please take a moment, and if you haven't, why not subscribe? I'd love to have you here. Watch some of the other videos. I love having you here, and I love spending time with you and sharing with you things that are working for me as a woman over 50 to make me feel more confident, more like myself. Even though I am aging, I'm enjoying learning about new things and new products and new ways to feel my best self. So that's why I'm here. If you like that sort of thing, again, please take a moment and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. What's the word?